Is your Emerson TV remote not responding? Don't worry, most remote control problems can be fixed quickly with these simple troubleshooting steps. The most common cause of remote problems is dead or weak batteries. Replace them with fresh alkaline batteries, making sure the positive and negative ends are correctly aligned. This simple fix resolves about 60% of all remote issues. If battery replacement doesn't work, check the battery terminals for corrosion. Clean them with rubbing alcohol to remove any white or green buildup that can prevent proper electrical contact. If the remote still doesn't work, try a soft reset. Remove the batteries completely, wait 30 seconds, then reinstall them. This clears any temporary glitches in the remote's memory. Signal interference accounts for about 25% of remote problems. Make sure there are no objects blocking the path between your remote and TV. Clean the TV's infrared sensor and check for interference from other electronic devices. If your remote stopped working after a power outage or surge, the TV itself may need a factory reset. This is covered in advanced troubleshooting methods. These simple troubleshooting steps will fix the majority of Emerson TV remote problems. Start with battery replacement, then work through each step systematically. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, these advanced techniques can restore your Emerson remote's functionality. First, try a hard reset. This clears all temporary settings and can resolve stubborn connection issues. If the hard reset doesn't work, try reprogramming the remote using the auto search method. The auto search method automatically finds the correct code for your TV. Hold setup and power buttons until the LED lights up, then repeatedly press channel up. Alternatively, you can use direct code entry with specific Emerson TV codes. For direct code entry, input these common Emerson codes: 0154, 0236, 0463, or 0180. Try each code until your TV responds. If reprogramming fails, consider using the Emerson Smart TV mobile app as an alternative remote control solution. The mobile app provides full remote functionality and can be downloaded from your device's app store. As a final option, purchasing an official Emerson replacement remote ensures complete compatibility. These advanced techniques should resolve most remote issues. Start with the hard reset, then try reprogramming methods, and consider alternative solutions if needed.